Hi everyone, and here today I'm here with Belinda, and today we're introducing our 5-minute vegan meal slot where we'll do everyday dinners that'll take no more than 5 minutes, so 5 minutes or less to get some sort of food on the table. Now, Belinda.
What are you going to cook for us today, Gavin?
Well, the thing we're going to do today is a beautiful dessert, so there's peanut butter jelly ice cream with some chocolate sauce. And
it sounds wonderful already. And you're going to teach me how to make it?
Yes, that's right. Well, you'll be the guinea pig for today. And yes, hopefully we'll end up with some nice ice cream. So, in less than 5, let's go.
5 minutes? You're telling me 5 minutes?
5 minutes.
5 minutes?
Yes, 5. Okay.
Now, I noticed an accent, Gavin. Where are you from?
Me? Well, yes. Well, I'm from Newcastle in England. And I've been in Australia about 18 years now.
Well, we better get started, but I just thought I'd tell people, introduce you where you're from.
Sure. Now, is this right, Belinda? You've got a fear of cooking?
Yes, I'm not a big fan of cooking.
Well, okay. Well, this should be nice and easy. We'll try and be gentle with you today, okay? This is pretty easy. It'll take, like I say, hopefully less than 5 minutes.
5 minutes ice cream?
Yeah, 5 minutes ice cream. Basically, a very quick chocolate sauce, so we'll just get a handful of chocolate in here like that.
I can eat this because it's vegan.
Yes, you can, yep. And then we're just going to put some of this coconut cream in here. So this is pretty good coconut cream from these guys.
So how many scoops? 2?
Yeah, about 2 scoops. You've got about probably just over half a cup, and you've probably got about 100 grams of chocolate in there. And then we'll just microwave this for about a minute and see how it goes. Now, while that's heating up there, we'll do the ice cream. So, basically all we're going to do is stick raspberries in here. So we've got 500 grams of raspberries in there, and then we're going to put in some peanut butter. So get a good, probably about half a cup in there like that. Okay.
Really going in it, huh?
Yeah.
I'm just excited it's ice cream. I love ice cream.
That's right. Now, should almost be ready. Let's have a look. So let's have a look. I've got a little bit to go yet, but as you can see, just give it a stir. We'll just leave that for a few more minutes. Smile, please. Oh God. All right. So how's that looking? How's that looking, Belinda?
It's looking like melted chocolate.
All right, beautiful. Well, we're getting somewhere then. That's good. Now, get some more cream. Oops, get some more cream in here. So I need a little bit.
You're trying to make me fat or something? Overweight, are you, Gavin?
We'll find it. Put this in.
And you've got a new book, I believe, out.
I do, yes. OMG Gluten-Free Gourmet.
And how can people purchase that?
They can either go to my website and do a PDF download, or onto Amazon and buy it from there. Ice and sugar. Okay.
Oh, see, I would just have went out and brought that.
Well, you can save yourself some money and make a mess in the kitchen,
You don't want to look at my kitchen.
No, probably not. But
was that a cup of hot water?
Yes. So this is just if you want to make some fancy shapes with this. That's how the chefs normally do what we call kind of like quenelles. So just hot water.
Oh, so they use the hot water?
Yes, they use the hot water.
Oh, so see, I've even learned a trick today. So if I don't actually learn how to cook, I've actually learnt one tip. Oh, yes, and it's crunchy because it's got that peanut butter in it. And it took about
And of course, please feel free to go and get my book online. Belinda.
Thank you for teaching me how to cook ice cream in less than 5 minutes.
Pleasure. All right.
And